In this video, we're going to cover how to safely operate your Kodiak K12 floor scrubber. Step 1, if the machine's plugged into charge, go ahead and remove your charger. So the next thing we want to check is make sure that the brush that we're going to be scrubbing the floor with on the front of the machine is in good working order and has plenty of fiber left. So loosen these two knobs and this shroud's easily removed. The way that you can inspect that is you're looking, this is the blue scrubbing fiber that's doing the work, and if these bristles are ever in line with the yellow indicating fiber, you're going to want to go ahead and order a new scrubbing brush. So now it's time to go ahead and fill your Kodiak K12 with 12 gallons of water and cleaning solution. So now that we have water and cleaning solution in your scrubber, it's time to go ahead and put it to use. Let's get your floors clean. I'm going to show you how. So you want to start the machine by turning the key on. One of the first things that you're going to notice is your battery charge indicator, which right now is showing a full charge. Below that is an hour meter. And then we also have a brush pressure indicator. So I want to go ahead and drop the scrub deck down to the ground. I'm going to turn the water on, and then at the same time, I'm also going to adjust the flow that's going out to the scrub deck with this lever. Next step is to lower your squeegee and turn on your vacuum motor. I'll hit this green button and propel the unit forward. I'll be putting water down, scrubbing the floor, and vacuuming all in one pass. Now that you're done cleaning the floor, we're going to go ahead and dump the dirty water tank and rinse it out. Do that with the dirty water drain hose. Fold it over, you can get it down to the drain, and then discharge the dirty water. So the dirty water's been drained out of the tank. We're gonna go ahead and rinse the inside of your recovery tank and make sure that there's no sediment left in it. So we're done rinsing out the tank. Go ahead and put the lid back on. This lid, however, you wanna rotate open so that your tank doesn't get stanky. Last step before you retire the scrubber for the evening, if it needs it, if your charge indicator is down about 2/3 of the way, go ahead and plug your battery charger back in.